Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In today's video, we are going to install a phone script by GKShop into our Fivem server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into our Fivem server. The script is from GKShop. I'll put the tabback source link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the script. When you scroll down over here, you can see the screenshots of the phone as you can see over here. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in the granted access section of your KeyMaster. You just need to click on this download button to download the resource. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our Fivem resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Now rename the file, then remove the version number from the file. Just like this. Now open the file. Now install the SQL of the phone. Open the head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now copy these images from here, then paste it into your QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images, and paste your images over here. Just like this. Now open the documentation of the phone, then copy this line of code from here, then paste it into your items.lua. For that, go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Then paste your line of code over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now open the GKS phone folder. Go to config. Then config.lua. The default keybind to open the phone is F1, so I'll be changing it to M. From here you can configure the working of your bank application, so I'll be keeping them default for now. And from here you can configure the value system of your phone. From here you can blacklist any vehicle from the valid system, so I'll be keeping them default for now. You can also enable the MDT application from here. So yes guys, that's it for the config part. Now open the server config.lua. In here we have to configure the media service system. If you want the PlayTube and music application get functional, then you have to paste the transaction ID of purchasing the script in here. So I'll be pasting mine over here. Just like this. Now for the media services, I'll be changing the GKS media to 5 manage. Open your 5 manage, select your workspace, go to tokens, then create a new token over here. So I'll be giving the name of GKS and the token type will be media. After that, click on create token. Now copy this token from here and we have to paste it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now for the log system, you can use your Discord webhook over here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Make sure to remove the word tbx from here. Now copy the name of your phone script. Open your server.cfg. Then ensure it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and this is the iPhone version of our phone as you can see. Now let's set up the phone. For that, click over here. Then select your language. After that, enter an email. So I'll be giving the name of Zexus Warrior. Now we have to enter the password. So I'll be entering this. Then click on create account. Now again give the GKS ID. Enter the password. Select any security question from here. Then give the answer for the question in here. After that, click on create. Then create a password. Click on enable look ID. Select the appearance. So I'll be selecting the dark one. Then click on continue. After that, click over here to open the phone. It will take few seconds. Now as you can see the first interface of the phone, click over here to open the phone. And here you can see the interface of our phone. Now let's open the SIM application. In this application, we can purchase the data for our phone. We can configure this in our config file. So I'll be selecting this one. After that, click on OK to confirm the purchase. And as you can see, we have successfully purchased the data in here. Now open the settings. As you can see the settings of our phone. From here we can change the border color. As you can see, the border of the phone has been changed. Now let's check out the applications. So as you can see over here, these are the applications of the phone. Now let's check out the PlayTube and music app. Let's open the PlayTube. Now let's search for our channel. So as you can see over here, our video has came in this application. As you can see, now let's check out the music application. Then search for the faded music. So as you can see over here, we got the music which we have searched in here, as you can see. and there are more applications you can explore from here. Let's take the police job. Now let's open the phone. Now we can see the MDT application over here. Let's download it. Now let's open the application, and as you can see, here we got our MDT application. So this is the other version of our phone. As you can see, this is the Android version of the phone. This is the contact application of our phone. By clicking over here, we can share our phone number. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to Fivem development. Goodbye.